Hello friends, welcome to a new video about how to learn with Chatgpt. 1. Content summarization. You can ask Chatgpt to summarize the main points of a text or a topic for you. 2. Getting detailed explanations. You can ask Chatgpt to explain a concept, a term, a grammar rule, or an example sentence for you. 3. Creating challenges exercises. You can ask Chatgpt to generate questions, quizzes, or tasks for you to test your knowledge and skills. 4. Asking for a translation. You can ask Chatgpt to translate sentences or words for you between different languages. 5. Asking for common expressions. You can ask Chatgpt to teach you idioms, slang, or phrases that are commonly used in your target language or culture. Goodbye. See you in the next video.